guys, today I'll be doing a FabFitFun unboxing and haul. This is my very first time opening this. I have not opened it at all. It still has a seal on and everything. Here it is. It's a huge box, so it has a lot of items. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you about what it is in case you're unfamiliar. It's a seasonal subscription box with full-size fashion, beauty, fitness, and lifestyle products. You can customize any of the items in your box. It's available in the United States, Canada, and United Kingdom. FabFitFun also partners with charities and female-founded companies each season. As I mentioned, this box is seasonal, so you have a fall box, a winter box, a spring box, and a summer box. And everything in the box is valued at over $200, but you only pay $39.99 a month. So basically, the items that you get in the box are valued much more than what you spend. So yeah, let's get into it. Gotta cut my box open. I have my blade here. I have not opened this, as I mentioned, so we're literally seeing everything here together. Also, I'm not wearing any makeup today. My blepharitis is acting up, so I cannot wear eye makeup for who knows how long. So that's why I have nothing except my brows done. But it feels good to let my skin breathe for once. Let's open this box. Okay, so first it comes with your issue, your summer 2020 issue of FabFitFun. Just tells you things that are in the box, tells you the price, gives you descriptions of everything, and it has other articles in here as well. You can see it's kind of like a catalog of items. It's like a catalog and magazine combined together. So there's that. Ooh, coupon for Green Chef. Definitely might use this because it's organic as well, which y'all know I'm vegetarian, so that's kind of important to me. Okay, now for the big box of stuff. Let's go ahead and open this. Okay, inside the box is a ceramic decorative vase from Isaac Mizrahi. Looks like this. Let's see what this looks like. I can decorate my desk with this. This alone, I'm telling you, is probably more than $40. Let me see. Let's look at our issue and see how much it's worth. Okay, I was close. This by itself is $28. So you're almost to that $39.99 price point. And this you could put, you know, whatever you want in here, incense or flowers. I'm trying to see how deep it is. But yeah, it goes all the way down to the bottom. This is so cute. I have to be careful so I don't drop this. Also, the box has a diffuser. Okay, seriously? How much is this? Okay, this is $59. This is $59 on its own, so we've already passed the $39.99 price point. And this is the Mason Home Scent Collection Solstice Diffuser. Wow. I'm excited. I love diffusers. How do we open this? I'm always struggling. So, the top of the box, probably supposed to open it a different way, but this is liquid, I guess. Hold on. Let's cut this open. Y'all know I work, one of my, top senses I use is smell. I like to smell everything, so that's the first thing I'm gonna do before figuring out anything else. Let's close this before I cut myself. That's happened before. Dun, da, 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 da. Oh my god. It smells good. It smells amazing. The scents that this has in it, I can't pronounce them, so I'm gonna put them on screen. That's what's in here. Oh my gosh, that smells great. Okay, it has these, which are, I'm not sure the proper name, the sticks that come in the diffuser, look like this. It has directions on here too, so very easy to use. It has a vase. I believe that vase. I'm actually very excited about this because it matches. If you guys have seen my clothes, it matches perfectly because my color scheme is like gold and white, and this is so much cuter than the one I have. So let's see, am I supposed to cut this? Hold on. Add fragrance oil to vase and insert reeds. It will diffuse fragrance within 24 to 36 hours. Do not place the diffuser on any surface without a protective tray. So that's important. Although it does have a bottom that it can sit on, it says that you should put it on a tray so it doesn't damage the surface that you put it on. Glad I saw that because my countertop is pretty expensive. I have quartz and I do not want to have to replace that. So yeah, glad I read the instructions. So here's your reeds. Now down to the proper name. 10 reeds. That's what they're called. So you put the oil first and then these. How much oil do you use though? I'm just gonna start with a little, because I'm not really familiar with this type of diffuser. I have the one that you plug up and then it blows the mist. I'm not really familiar with that kind. So I'm just gonna start with a little. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna add more. I also have the Zoe Ayla Face and Body Ice Roller. Gets rid of puffy eyes redness, tightens and rejuvenates skin to achieve radiant glowing skin in just minutes. Helps to decrease pore size and improve skin tone. Brightens under eye circles. Reduces the appearance of blemishes and fine lines. Okay. Smile line. I do not have one of these. I have the small roller. This is an actual ice roller. This item is valued at $30. So even this is almost the price of the box. And for this, you put it in the freezer for 4 more hours. Roll it over your face and neck. You can also use it to soothe bug bites, sunburn, sore muscles post-workout, treat bruises and aches, or lessen discomfort before or after cosmetic treatment. Good to know. I will be using this, especially around my small lines. I'm gonna see what it does, because I'm not about to stop laughing or smiling, so yeah, I'm gonna have to do something else. I also have Tarocco foot cream, Sicilian blood oranges. Y'all already know I'm about to smell. I know it says foot cream, but I also like hand creams. And because it's soothing on the feet, I just know it'll be perfect on the hands too. As far as hydration, oh my god, it smells amazing. If you like citrus, yes, this. Apply onto feet, massage from your heels to your toes, use twice daily. This particular product is valued at $24. I mean, I don't know about y'all, but this is an item I would not spend $24 on its own. It's just amazing to have it come in a set like this. Essential Sea Cleanser from Murad. I do know they have awesome skincare. I've never tried this particular product. You can massage over dampened face and neck, rinse and pat dry. Use morning and night. Formulated with vitamins A, C, E. This is valued at $40. So you would normally pay $40 for this, and this whole box is $39.99. Okay, let's see what the packaging looks like. I'm packaging queen too. Okay, so it's regular squeeze tube. I'm sure this doesn't smell, but I'm gonna smell it anyway. Okay, that doesn't really smell like much, but it may be because I have citrus or blood orange all over my hands now, so it's compromised my sense of smell, but whatever. There's also this key necklace. What is it made out of? Doesn't say the metal it's made from. I don't know if it's in here either. Let's see. This is $45 on its own. It has Believe on there. It provides support for people transitioning out of homelessness. Pass it on to someone you feel needs the message. Choose and embrace your word. That's pretty cool. Ending homelessness through employment. That's always great. There is also a roll-on fragrance from Original Roll-On Fragrance Oil. This is valued at $50. Come on, guys. This is such a great deal. Okay, let's see what this smells like. This fragrance, it's smellable. Oh, it's a roll-on. I'm trying to like spray it. Read the instructions. Okay. It's definitely original. I'll say that. Okay, it's not really my favorite choice of scent. I like more masculine scents. This is very regular. Like if you are one of those very light and faint and natural scent type type of persons, what? This is for you. But like I said, I like more musky and, you know, masculine scents like the Bond No. 9s and fragrances like that. So that's not my favorite fragrance. But on days I want to wear something light, maybe if you want to wear something to the gym or something like that, there you go. Lastly, I have this bag. What is this? Straw bag with floral scarf. Is that what this is? No. This is the Business of Pleasure cooler bag. Keeps food and drinks cold and crisp. OMG. I travel a lot. I also take road trips a lot, so I'm excited to give this a go when I can travel again. Oh, this is so cute. Look how small. Look at it. Hold on. Okay. Oh yeah. It is insulated inside, so that's how your drinks and food will stay cool. And it's a cute, nice color. I like the color too. Very high quality. This is actually priced at $59. I think I said that already, I'm not sure. Also has a nice strap to carry. If you want to wear it crossbody, you know I love crossbody, or if you want to wear it on the shoulder, it has a lot of reinforcement here to keep your food, you know, well held and protected. I'm very impressed with this box. Even though there are some items I don't particularly like for example, I wouldn't have chosen this vase in this color. I would have chosen a different color. And I do love the diffuser. Love skincare. I love Murad. I raved about one of their serums in my empties video, my last empties video that I did. I'll link it up above. Foot cream, I'm excited to try this. I love the way it smells. I love the story behind the Giving Keys necklace. I think that's awesome that they're doing that. Ice roll I'm excited about. Fragrance, I'll try it at the gym and see how I like it. And then this cooler. I really like most things in this whole box, you know. The fragrance is the only thing I'm kind of like about, you know, but even with that, it's still worth way more than $39.99. Way more than the price you pay. I also did mention that FabFitFun partners with charities throughout each season. For summer season, they are partnering with Special Olympics to end discrimination against and to empower those with intellectual disabilities. They have over 5 million athletes in 190 countries, more than 190 countries. And Special Olympics help athletes find their own confidence, joy, fulfillment on the field in their lives. And considering physical distancing that we have going on now, they are helping athletes and their families stay active and engaged while opportunities to build meaningful connections through sports are postponed. I think it's great that they use this to give back their boxes, the profits from their boxes. I think that's pretty awesome. It's always nice to support a company that gives back. I'll have a link to FabFitFun.com in the description box, but it's just FabFitFun.com. I'll also have a $10 off code that you could use for $10 off the box. But yeah, I hope you guys found this helpful. Let me know if you like any particular items, if you've tried any of these items, let me know. Rate the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss the next video that goes live. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.